If you own a RedGear Gamepad or considering to buy one soon, this video is for you. In my previous video of RedGear Gamepad, I've shown you the unboxing and a detailed review after 9 months of use. Today, I will be disassembling the RedGear Gamepad to show you guys what's inside it and put a full stop to all the major questions related to the vibrating motors and other stuff such as the battery and the bug fixes. Yes, you can fix most issues with the controller using a magic key called reset button. But before I head further, I request you to please subscribe to our channel and support us so that we can bring more such content for you guys. So very recently I experienced a bug with this gamepad where the controller's right thumb pad was moving downwards without me touching the gamepad. First, I thought the joystick is damaged as it was lying idle for like 3 months in the box, but then I thought it's a great excuse to open the gamepad and look what's inside. And if it's really damaged, let's repair it, cause I have a spare thumb pad lying around that I bought for an IoT project but I never used it. Anyways, when I opened the RedGear Gamepad, I saw this reset button, and so I turned on the gamepad and pressed this reset button, and to my surprise the gamepad turned off, and when I turned it on again the issue was resolved. Now this says all. If you ever experience such an issue or any malfunctioning such as connectivity issues between the gamepad and your PC, you know what you have to do. Now let's see what's all inside the gamepad, and here's the first look inside the RedGear Gamepad. You can clearly see that it has 2 vibrating motors of decent size, and that's the reason why the vibration is so strong yet subtle. I just love it. It's similar to the original Xbox controller. It's very smooth and you can see how the motor rotates. I can disassemble it further, but I don't feel necessity to do this. However, if I get enough likes on this video, around 500 or so, I will surely open up the entire gamepad and may also show you how you can fix if you ever break it, and may also buy other gamepads and disassemble them and compare their internals. So a great in-depth review is waiting for you. All you have to do is hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel to receive the updates whenever we upload a video. Also, comment down below what you think about this wireless RedGear Gamepad. And yes guys, this may not work with the actual Xbox system. I don't have access to the Xbox, otherwise I would have confirmed it. Once again, a gentle reminder, like this video, let this video reach 500 likes, and I promise I will upload many more videos on other gaming products and gamepads that are available for Android and PC with in-depth review including disassembly like this, so that you can choose the best out there. For now, this was all in this video. Please subscribe to our channel for more content like this, and do follow us on Facebook and Twitter for the instant updates. Thank you for watching this video. I appreciate your time. Have a great day.